Nope. Nope. No touchy. 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 What you doing? No touching! No touching! Not allowed it! No touch! Oh my god! No, because you'll shake it up. Stop! Stop! What are you doing? No touchy! No touchy! Ah!
I touched it in your face, sucker!
What?
I touched it!
What?
I took it out.
What, this one?
No, I took out the other one.
Well, clearly you did not. That's there! I can see it!
Trying to say, you saw colour, but
Boo! Oh! Ow! Oh!
you got Enderman!
Ow! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh! 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 Hey! Ow! That's just nasty.
Do that again and you'll get Enderman 3 times!
Ow! Oh! I haven't even done anything this time.
Yes, you did. You did that. Everybody can see that.
Ow! Oh! You are nasty. Oh! Monsieur Coton. Ah! Oh! Dun 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 dun. Ah! Oh! 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 Ah! Dun 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 dun. Ah! Dun 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 dun. Oh!
Turn the phone off right now. Put Stella on you.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Mummy, watch out. I put some pepper.
Oh! Aiden. Is that yours? Is that yours?
Yes.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Are we in a what? Yeah, that's not yours. It's not yours. I don't want it. It's yours. It's yours. No, because you'll get custard everywhere. No, you get custard. Connor's custard. Custard? Custard? Hey, stop hissing. That's not nice. That's not nice. Seriously, there's custard here. Do you want custard?
I'm trying to make custard.
It's custard. You got some on your cheek. No. I'm just saying, there's some custard on my finger. Do you want it?
No.
Why not? It's perfectly good custard.
It's on your finger.
Honestly, custard? Custard.
No.
You want some custard, don't you? Don't you?
No.
What's that for? What's that for?
The sponge, and when you put it in the cake, it should have like check effect in the middle of the cake. If you will play safe, it will be boring. We can do boring.